Do you know that you can take your dull, old-looking granite countertops and make them into bright, shiny, new-looking countertops without hiring a professional and without buying expensive polishes or products? I'm going to show you how. Imagine your granite countertops so shiny that you can see your reflection in them. Well, it's not a dream. All you need is something you probably already have in your house. So I'm going to show you the step-by-step process, what to do to make your countertops to bring them back to that new shiny look one more time, and how to keep it like that. Very simple. You can see these countertops right now. See how dull they are and just lifeless? Well, we're going to bring them back to a nice, beautiful shine. And I'm going to divide it in half and show you the step-by-step process of exactly what to do. So I've taken this countertop, I put a piece of tape here so we can look at the difference. I'm going to take this side here, we're going to clean it and polish it and shine it up and show you how simple it is, and we'll compare it to this side here. So step number one, clear off the countertops. Give yourself some working space, because I'm going to show you, you don't want to get things dirty. You want to have enough room to do the cleaning. Step number two, take a towel or take a vacuum and clean off all the dirt. You want to make sure there's no dirt on top of here. The next step is you want to take a sponge with a mild cleaner on it, and you want to make sure you clean all the dirt and take some warm water and clean all the dirt off of here, because you don't want to lock that dirt in. Just like if you're going to wax your car, you don't want to wax your car unless you've cleaned it first and got all the dirt off of it. So once you get that off, take a dry towel and make sure you dry it off good. If you have a ceiling fan, go ahead and run the ceiling fan, let it dry off, but you want to make sure that it's dry before you do the next step. So give it 15 minutes if you have to, or 10 minutes. This one's already drying pretty good. If you're finding these videos helpful and you haven't subscribed yet, I ask you to please subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell notification. That way, anytime I load up a new video, you'll get a notification in your email that I've got a new video for you that might be just the thing you're looking for your repair, for your home improvement, or for your professional job if you're doing something. Here's the secret I use. It's just normal furniture polish. Now this is Pledge. It has some lemon inside of it. I prefer one that doesn't have lemon in it, but you can use this. There's going to be a lot of people that say, oh, you can't use that. The citric acid is going to be bad. You can't put furniture polish on your granite. If you'll read on here, right in the back of it, it shows it works on select or sealed wood furniture, sealed leather, granite, stainless steel, laminate, and quartz. We've used this for over 20 years and have never had a problem with it hurting the granite or making it bad. So if it's been working for 20 years, and I've shown this to hotels, I've shown this to retirement centers, and they've used this on their granite. They have hundreds of rooms, but they've used years and years, and it's cheaper. It's better than the stuff you can buy at the store. It does a better job, and I'm going to show you how to use it. It's very simple. So the first thing you want to do is get yourself a rag, and I use the same rag that I dried this off with. Now shake it up real good. When you're going to spray it on your granite countertop. Now the thing is, granite is porous. If it's been sealed, it should have been sealed, but also it does have a little pores to it. So what you want to do is spray it on the rag and get down real close to the granite and spray it just like this. Let's get the backsplash. After you've sprayed that, you want to take the rag and you want to make sure you just real lightly wipe it in there. And what you're going to do is let that soak on your granite, soak inside there, and get the edges of it. Like I said, get the backsplash. Now you let it sit. You let it sit until it dries. Okay, so we're almost ready for this. It's been drying for probably about 10 minutes or so. Move your finger across the surface. If it's not wet, then you're ready for the next step in the process. So I take a dry towel, and what you want to do is you're going to rub the whole thing. You're kind of like polishing a car. Make sure you get the backsplash if you've got one. So you're going to do that. Then you're going to go ahead and you want to flip it to a clean side and continue. When you're finished, you're going to notice that this towel, it just is so slick it comes right off. Whereas the other side, it doesn't slide at all. The side that you just polished is perfect. So let me show you a close-up. So if you can see this, now this is the side that we did not polish. If you can look at the reflection on it, now compare that to the side we just polished. And look at the difference. New side, old side. It's that simple to go ahead and clean your countertops. And you can do it once a month if you want to. You can do it as often as you want to, but it makes a beautiful, clean, bright, shiny, to where it just nice, it reflects right to you. And that's it. It's so simple, inexpensive, and you can do it yourself. You don't have to bring a professional out. It's no more difficult than just clean off your countertops, but you put the polish. You want to remember though, if you have tile floors or if you have wood floors, make sure when you're spraying that furniture polish on there, you want to keep it close because you don't want the overspray to go on the floor because it could make it slick. So just go ahead and spray that and keep it off of your stove tops also. Don't spray it near, especially if you have a gas stove with a pilot on it. Keep the spray away from there. So I hope you enjoyed this. I hope these tips help you out. Your granite's going to look like brand new again. So let me know in the comments how your granite turned out. And again, thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and hit that bell notification. You take care, and God bless.